Welcome. In this video I'm going to take a look at this kit I got on Amazon to replace the plastic case around this key. You can see here it's broken. So I'll put a link to this on Amazon in the description, and if you use that link it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me out a little bit. So let's take a look at this. This is a double kit, so it comes with two. And I actually do have two keys that need this, so that's kind of nice. This is actually the better of the two probably. It's got a little support card here, and then it's got this little pouch. I think this might have a tiny screwdriver in it. It does. Let's see what else is in here. It has little Honda logos. You can, it looks like you can put those on here. I don't know this, oh, I guess it does have one. Okay, so first thing I need to do is get the tape off this old one. Okay, so I have the tape off here. I do have tape over the key itself because you're really not supposed to share the key pattern online. So I'll take this little screwdriver, see if I can unscrew this. This is not easy. Probably work better with a bigger screwdriver. But I want to try it with the one that's in here first. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned, this doesn't come with the guts. This is just the plastic case. Let's see what we have in here. Looks like we have, this is a little adhesive pad for that logo. And then we have three parts here. So I'll get this apart. I might need to take the ring off. Okay, looks like the key comes out just like that. See if I can get the rest of this apart. There we go. So here I have the guts. Let's see if it fits. Looks like it fits pretty good. Looks like the key slips in here. Okay, so I did that off camera. And this is going to fit in here some way. Looks like about like that. And looks like it just fits in here. It hinges on this top. Okay. I think I need to slide it on the bottom here. Let's try that. I think I need to start it down here and slide it. There we go. So you start down here and slide it, and then this will clip together, looks like. Oh, actually, I may need to stick the whole, I may need to slide the whole thing at once. Okay. Let's see if I just press it, if it'll go together. Well, I just pressed it together a little bit harder and it seemed to work. So here's the screw. It's a lot longer than the other one. Oops. It's a lot longer than the other one. So this is kind of interesting. I don't know if this will come up on camera. The hole for the metal is a little bit offset, but I think this will still go in, so I'll try and screw it in. Looks like it unsnapped or something. I don't know. So as fun as this little screwdriver is, I'm going to switch this for a bigger one. Okay. think that did it. It feels a lot stiffer now. So I think that's going to be a good fix. I'll try this adhesive on the back. Okay, I got the adhesive off. So there we go. So here's the original one, and I can't say I'm sure that this is factory or not. It probably is. Here's the new one. It looks a little bit different. But this is way cheaper than buying a whole new key and the electronics in it. So if your case is cracked, this is the way to go. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.